If DaVinci Resolve looks overwhelming, forget everything except for these 3 steps. In the next few minutes, you'll import some footage, make your first edit, and export a finished video. We're gonna jump right in. We start off with step 1 is the import. Now, open yourself a new project, then import your media. Drag your clip down onto the timeline. Now we have our video and our audio all ready to go. Don't worry about settings, as right now we're just trying to get a video made. Make sense so far? Good. Now let's actually edit something. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to trim the beginning and the end of the clip. Now I know I took a few takes at this, so we're going to go back here and play back on here. If DaVinci Resolve looks overwhelming. Here we go. This is the take. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to cut that with the blade tool. I'm going to give it a snip and then go back to my selection tool, click what I don't need, hit delete, it's gone. Then I am going to go on the far end here where I stopped talking. I think that should be good there. Blade tool again, give it a snip. Selection tool, hitting A for the selection tool, selecting the piece I don't need, hitting delete. But my video is too far over. I'm going to click in this empty space right here. See how it highlights it? Hit delete again. Now I'm at the beginning of my timeline. Now, if you want to edit even faster, I've got my beginner template. I will link it in the description below. Now, that's all editing really is in the beginning. Keeping what you want and removing what you don't. Now, you've already done the hardest part. The rest is just export. Let me show you. Go to the deliver page, this little rocket right here. Go to the very top where it says preset. Custom export is on mine. If you come down here, YouTube 1080p, you can decide which one you'd like. I'd leave it at 1080. Just give it a click and it loads up most of the settings you need already ready to go. All you have to do is give it a name. Let's go with Chappie Uncut. And I would click normalize audio at this point just so that it sets your audio levels where they should be for YouTube. And click a location where you would like to save this. Let's just go right on the desktop. Add to render queue. It shows up over here under the render queue, and all you got to do is click render all. You don't have to worry about color grading or fusion or Fairlight, all that advanced stuff. All you're really trying to do is just learn to finish that first video. So congratulations, you just finished your first edit. If this helped get you through your first edit, hit the subscribe button. It helps other beginners find my videos. That's it for today, guys. Say hi to DaVinci for me, and I'll catch you in the next one.